Okay, so today we're going to talk about a new color group. We already know that we have our primary colors and our secondary colors. Our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. When I mix these colors, then I get my secondary colors. So when we mix red and yellow, we get what? That's right, orange. And then when we mix our yellow with our blue, we get, anyone want to guess? That's right, green. We also have red, and blue, and when we mix that together, it's gonna make what? Purple. Good. So we know these to be our primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. And we know these to be our secondary colors: orange, green, and purple. So today what I'm going to do is take all these colors and I'm going to put them in rainbow order. Let's go red. What comes next? That's right, orange. These look very similar, even though they are different. Then we have yellow, red, orange, yellow, Roy. G is green. Blue. And violet, or purple. Good. So today we're going to group these colors into warm and cool colors. So when you think warm, you think of fire, sun, all things hot. My warm colors are going to be here at the top of my rainbow. They are going to be my reds, my oranges, and my yellows. These are warm. These make me feel warm. Okay? And then these down here at the bottom of my rainbow, my green, my blue, and my purple, they are my cool colors. They make me feel cool. I think of snow, I think of ice, I think of shadows, warm things here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a project based on warm and cool colors. Let me show you what that is. Kindergarten, we are just going to take our hand, we are going to trace our hand with a pencil. Remember, draw light till you get it right, then go darker or trace with a marker. We are going to trace our hand with a pencil. I'm using a pen so you can see a little bit better. And then we're going to, see, there's my hand, good. So then we're going to draw some lines across. We're just going to cross right over top our paper, right over top of that hand that I made, okay? And what I want you to do is go horizontal, 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 and then I want you to go back and I want you to make a bunch of vertical lines all the way from top to bottom. Top to bottom, top to bottom. And we are going to use crayons or colored pencils. Okay, and what we're going to do is we are going to make a warm hand with a cool background. So remember, my warm colors are red, oranges, and yellows. Okay, those are my warm. And then my cool colors are down here, my blues, my greens, my purples. So I'm going to pick any color I want that is a cool color, and I'm going to color in the outside because we're making a warm hand and a cool background. I'm going to color in this whole block. I'm just following the lines that I made with my horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. And I'm going to just color in the whole background with my cool colors. Then, I better put it on this so I don't ruin my table. If you want to use markers and your mom and dad say it's okay, then you go ahead and you use markers. But I think it'd be a great idea to use colored pencils or crayons using markers, because that's what I have and you can see a little bit better. Okay, so there's one. It doesn't matter what color I use next, but I'm going to stay inside these lines. I'm going to go with, let's just go with purple. Now watch over here, real careful. You see how my finger gets in my square? I can't color that because I want my hand to be warm, so I'm going around that. You see how I left that space there? All right, I'm going to do the same thing all the way down this whole block. This whole block. And they don't have to be perfect blocks. They don't have to be perfect lines. Okay. I'm going to color this block in, color it in, color it in, color it in. But anywhere I have a line, I have to choose a new color. So I'm not going to put purple next to this purple. I just use purple. I need a new color. And you can pattern it if you want, or you can do random. I'm just going to go random. You have different shades. You see, I'm only going to have 3 shades here, but you all, if you use crayons, may have a whole lot more than that. So I'm going to go into, let's say green next. Watch again. I am not coloring inside my hand print. I am going around. You see? You see? Because I don't want my hand to be cool. I want my hand to be warm. Going all the way down.
Let's go, Mommy.
Oh, thanks, baby. So once I color this block, I'm going to show you what to do inside your hand. And then I'm going to complete it with you at a little faster speed. Okay. See? I'm leaving that hand there because I want it to be warm. And my background's to be cool. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to do that another warm color, but I'm going to skip it for now. Here inside my hand, I am going to choose warm colors. Alright, and I'm going to watch here real close. On that line right here, I need to make sure that I'm following my lines. So this is going to be really tiny. I'm just going to do that orange, but I can't keep going because I have lines there. I'm going to need to pick a new color. Okay, so let's go yellow next. All right, and I'm going to make this all yellow. Okay, and I'm staying in those lines. Staying in those lines. And then I can keep going more. Let's go ahead and do yellow over here on the opposite side too. I'm going to, can you see how I'm staying here within these lines? Now what's going to happen around that hand there? What's going to happen around that finger? Well, I'm going to pick a red over here for this finger. It looks a little orange, but it's red. I can talk to Sharpie about that, huh? Okay. This background I'm going to do all the way through because this is one whole shape. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm picking blue. Let's go all the way around, down the finger, down the finger. Down the finger, being really neat. I'm trying to be very careful. And up the block, so all that's blue. Now that you get the idea, I'm going to finish it a little bit faster. And so here you have it, nice and finished. And of course, I was in a bit of a hurry, so you all can take a little bit more time to cover up all those white spaces. So I have my hot, my warm colors inside and my cool colors outside. Send me your pictures.